And finally, we're getting some snow. Well, this part of Canada. Because last week here was raining. Incredible. At the middle of January raining uh, instead of snowing. But at least we don't getting as much as snow as the American and the Russian people. I seen some video in Russia and all the snow from Canada. I think it went that way. And the same for the USA. All the snow from here is going to the USA. They expecting a huge storm, and we hardly having any snow. This time of year, we should have quite a lot and nothing, just a little bit. We've been lucky so far, but it's snowing a lot today and really fast. Wow. Changing my hair color. I've been changing for a while, but this is the final color. It's the closest to my natural color. They used to call me Goldilocks when I was a little girl. Curly yellow hair. And when my hair grow, you only see the shine of the gray. You don't see any difference between my natural hair and this color, so that's good. That's what I wanted because I have a lot of gray hair. So after I dye my hair, I put the tint. I left a little bit at the same hair color, and I add bleach cream that I have, and I add some volume 20, and then I put some here in the front and on the other side, and I left it there for like 7-8 minutes. And then after I wash my hair, and you see it's the same tone but a little bit lighter, so I absolutely love it. I'm gonna share with you that bleach cream that I put on, because this is perfect because I don't have any damage in my hair or anything. I love it. I love it. Really like it. You don't see this too often. It's snowing and the sun is out. This is very, very weird. It's like when it rains with the sun out. But today it's snowing with the sun out. Incredible. So I'm gonna do the story from the beginning, how I got to this color. My hair used to be like a medium dark brown. Sometimes you look at the hair and look black, but it was brown. And I wanted to get it, that a blend with my gray hair, because there used to be a lot of work with my gray hair and getting a lot of gray hair. So I decided I'm gonna go the closest to my natural color. That way when my hair grow, you see the gray, but you don't see the need darker or lighter hair. You see a good blend. So I decided to start removing my hair color, but I went with the color Oops. I bought them at Walmart. I had to use 2 boxes, and even with those 2 boxes, half of my hair here was darker, a little bit like 2 shades darker than these. And I went to Sally to buy a hair color to even it up, and the lady said, well, you have to buy not the top part, you have to buy the lower part, that way it will be even, but I don't want the color that dark. So she said, well, you have to bleach then. And I said, well, I don't want to put some powder bleach or any bleach in my hair. I said, do you have any cream? And yes, they have this cream. They have this one and another one. I'm not getting paid for this. I just showing you what it did work for me. I put some of these with my 20 developer, and I left that it was from here down like for 25 minutes to half an hour. I don't think, no, even half an hour. I was keeping an eye on it. That way it stayed more even. And even though it was a little bit darker. And then I bought the number 5 of this brand. It was a darker blonde. And then I put it in here. And it was a little bit even, but I had some patchy spots all over the place. So I decided, no, I'm gonna buy the medium blonde, and I'm gonna put it on the whole head to see if it worked, and it did. Like I said, that was the mix that I did for my hair. I mixed 1 tube of these for 120 gram of developer. I left it for 1 hour. and that worked for me. And for the front, like I mentioned, I did from the color cream, the hair dye, like 3 grams of these, and like 6 of these, because I only put it on the front here and a little bit here, but this one I don't see as much, but the front, yes. And I left that for like 7 minutes, no longer. I wanted to have the color more, you know, like even, that this a little bit lighter but the same tone as the rest of the hair color, so it was perfect. It did work. I don't know if you can see it because it's getting, I have the light there on the top, but you can see a little bit lighter here on the front. And I absolutely love this, because now when my hair grow, you can see the shine of the gray hair, but you don't see the any difference between my natural color and the dye color. So that's what I wanted. That way I only had to put a little bit in the roots, or on the roots, and that's it. So that was perfect. And I put this on my hair, and this really works. The Dove 10-in-1 hydrating mask. You see my hair is not burned or anything. It's really nice. So yes, I had to wash my hair 3 times because I wanted to dye my hair, and I wanted to remove the oils and the cream from the hair. So I wash my hair, and then I dry it with a blow dryer, and then I don't put any cream or anything, just wash it, and then I apply the hair dye, and then after 1 hour I wash it. But I wanted to do the highlights here at the front, so I just wash my hair, and then I put the bleach mixture with the hair dye on the front, and then I wash my hair again, and then I apply this. And I left it for a few minutes. I don't, not even 3 minutes. I left this on my hair, and then I rinse, and I blow dry it and flat iron, because my hair, my curly hair is all the way here already. You see the bumps in here already. It's been a year since I done my keratin in Cuba, so I had to go again, but the political mess that's going on in Cuba, I'm afraid to go now, and you know that they cancel all the flights getting out of the island, and then I'm stuck in there, so I want to wait for that. But I really recommend, if you want to go lighter, if you wanted to do it yourself, because I've been doing it myself, to do it this way with the color oops, that will remove a few layers of color from your hair, and then from there you will do whatever you want to do. That does really work for me, and you see it's nice and even now. I love it. And my hair, you know, they look weird here, but when I do this, it's more even on the back, because I cut it straight, so, and it's no burn or anything. It's perfect. And now with this mask, this is my second of these that I buy. So the shampoo that I use is the Oasis, the one with the little kangaroo in the front. That's the one I've been using, because I used to use other shampoos, and they all dry out my hair, and that one worked for me. The shampoo, the conditioner, and it has some tube of the cream and Dolorama. That's the one I use. I already finished that one, and really work. It really helped with the hair. My hair don't look damaged or burned or anything. It looks really nice, and I flat iron my hair. So I just wanted to share with you all that. And you notice I gained weight. I've been lazy since I moved, and I don't be working out, and I started like January 1st a squat challenge with my daughter Nora and 2 of her friends. We call each other a video call at 11:30 in the morning, and we do, you know, increase by 5 the squats on a row, and we did yesterday 85. And today, since they're busy at work, we're gonna do it later today, 90, you know. So I've been doing that, and yesterday I did other exercises. I started already, because I can tell I gained some weight. and everybody said, no, you look good, you look the same. I said, no, I know I gained some weight. I have to keep an eye and continue my exercise. I think I gained like 10 pounds. So, you know, when you get comfortable in a place. So, and winter time we always gain weight. It's, you know, it's really hard because before I used to have my gym at home. Now I have just a few things to exercise with, so it's not the same. But well, I have to do what I have to do. So I just wanted to show you what I use, how I use it, just in case you guys want to change her color. And look at this. I made these earrings. I bought the hearts AliExpress, and I did my earrings and a necklace, and I'm waiting for some in gold, with the gold color, to do some gold. I absolutely love them. They look really nice, very easy to do too. I love them. So I just wanted to show you what I did with my hair and how I did it, just in case you guys wanted to change your look. When you get used to somebody else doing the hair for you, you don't want to do it. You get lazy, and it's better somebody else do it than you doing it yourself. So it's not a work, and I live 45 minutes from her, so I have to do it myself. So I have a mirror that we put it on the wall, and then I can see the back of my hair on the big mirror in the bathroom, so I can do it myself. So I just wanted to share with you guys that, and I wish you a wonderful evening, a wonderful night, or a wonderful day. Bye.